Welcome back. So today we're going to talk about diphthong IU. So we know what diphthongs are, so we're not going to go through the definition. So we're just going to go through what IU is. So it's similar to the word U, except that it's a somewhat shorter sound. So let's look at some examples.
Listen to the following words. They all contain the IU diphthong.
Ciudad,
Alright, so I and U, right? So alright, so this is ciudad. U. It's pronounced like U, right? So ciudad, city.
ciudadano,
Ciudadano, citizen.
21,
21, 21.
Triunfo, triunfo, triunfo.
Triunfo, triumph.
Viuda,
Viuda, widow.
viudo,
Viudo, widower.
Listen and repeat. Concentrate on combining the two vowels into a single syllable in the
Alright,
manner of the native speakers.
okay.
ciudad,
Ciudad,
ciudadano,
ciudadano, citizen.
21,
21, 21.
triunfo, triunfo,
This is a little tricky, so just repeating it a few times.
triunfo, triunfo,
Triunfo,
triunfo,
triunfo,
triunfo.
triunfo. It's triumph.
Viuda,
Viuda, widow.
viudo,
Viudo, widower.
Listen and repeat again.
Alright.
ciudad,
Ciudad, city.
ciudadano,
Ciudadano, citizen.
21,
21, 21.
triunfo,
Triunfo, triumph.
viuda,
Viuda, widow. And last one, okay.
viudo.
Viudo, widower. Alright, so today we went through diphthong IU, which is basically pronounced as U, right? So the next video I'll be looking at another consonant, which is consonant Q. Until then, see you next time.